Watch me achieve this blowout look without heat. So let's get into it. I started off on detangled hair, so I already detangled my hair off camera using the Palmer's leave-in conditioner. After I detangled my hair, I twisted my hair up and then just left it in a few different sections to make it easier to work with. I'm going in again with the brush just to make sure that my hair is properly detangled. I'll add some oil to my hair just to seal in the moisture of the leave-in conditioner. So I'll be using the ORS Argan oil. When applying your oil, you want to apply it from your roots to your ends to ensure that the moisture applied previously is sealed in. Again, make sure your hair is properly detangled before doing any styling. So this is where the stretching actually begins. I'll be using the braiding method to stretch my hair. I'll take a section of my hair and then divide that section into 3 smaller sections to start the braid. Guys, this is why you need to detangle your hair before doing any styling, just to make it easier to work with your hair when doing a braid or a twist or whatever style you'll be doing. So this is a very simple process if you know how to do a braid or a plait or whatever you want to call it. As I'm plaiting my hair, I'm making sure that my hair stays detangled throughout the process. So just braid until you get to the end of your hair, and you'll continue doing this to the rest of your hair. When it gets closer to the ends of my hair, I will divide the 3 sections into 2 sections and then just twist that 2 sections up. So all I'll be doing is just continuing this process on the rest of my hair. From my experience, I can tell you that there are so many benefits that comes with stretching your hair. For one, your hair is so much easier to manage and maintain. Secondly, I found that my hair does not tangle easily, which is a plus. And another benefit in my personal experience is that I've definitely seen growth and I'm able to retain length. Another benefit is that I'm able to do much more styles with my hair. The benefits that I'm mentioning are based on my personal experience, so it may differ from person to person. And we are done with the braiding. I do feel that my hair can be stretched a little bit more, so I'll be using the banding method as well. So I'll be doing a mixture of stretching methods. So usually if I do braids, my hair takes a while to get dry, but because my hair was not soaking wet when I did the braids, my hair got dry much quicker. Once your hair is completely dry, you want to unravel the braid and then just brush it out. You can already see the difference. My hair is much more stretched from the braiding and the banding method. Guys, I am so impressed with the results, mainly because I've been stretching my hair with heat. Meanwhile, I could have been doing this the whole time. Wow. So this is my way of achieving a blowout look without heat. I hope this video was helpful, and if you think so, please give it a big thumbs up and click on that subscribe button.